Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Android smartphone like pattern lock in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as UniqueTutorials. Just search this application and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. So you can see its official website, right? So you can read the instruction if you want to read. So here are some download link options. So just click on any one of it to start downloading. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click to install this. So just click on next to proceed with the installation. So finally the application has been installed successfully. Now click on finish. So just click on OK. So it will ask you to configure. So by default the pattern will be in the jet form, right? So you can do a reset of your own choice. So this is a default pattern lock by default. So let us change this by clicking on this reset pattern. Just click on reset. So let us put a new pattern lock style. So you can see reset lock pattern. Okay, please remember your pattern. Okay, so you can see here, do you want to back up the lock pattern in case you forget your pattern? I'll highly recommend to click on yes and do a backup. So it will save as a image file. Click on save. So you can get this backup image file on the folder. So let me go to the file manager and let me show you by going to this picture folder. You can see here the image, that is the pattern lock style picture, has been saved on your respective folder. So if you forget in any case, then you can just see back the backup picture and you can just follow your unlock pattern. So once your all settings are done, you can click on OK. But before clicking on OK, I will like to show you some more options like general. So if you want to make this pattern lock start as soon as you turn on your computer, then you can just enable this on, but right now I will keep it as off just to give you an example. But if you want this pattern lock to get started along with your Windows login time, then you can just turn it on and you can see some more options like auto lock computer after 3 minutes. Then it will auto lock after 3 minutes when your computer is in the idle mode. You can see here turn off the monitor after. So you can see tons of options. You can just select never. Also you can use auto hide unlock window after 1 minute. So tons of options, you can check it out by yourself. And here below, if you want to give your own text, then you can just give your own text. You can just edit it by typing your words. Say I'll just type belong to me, and here one more option is the background. So if you want to change the image background, then you can just click on the change image. It will take you to the folder and you can select a picture of your own choice or the wallpaper. And you can see here effects on and off. You can do turn off and enable also the effects, and you can use the transparency also if you wish a transparency, but I will not enable it right now. So these are the options available inside this application settings. So this is the pattern which I'm going to use. So just click on OK once you're done and click on skip this one. Now you can see icon in the trim menu. So just right click on it. So here are some shortcut keys. So you can see here Win Control A to use this pattern lock, or you can just double left mouse click this pattern lock to start this pattern lock. So you can see here. So let us try our pattern lock style. So you can see here our pattern lock is perfectly unlocked. So this is the way how to get a Android smartphone like pattern lock in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this very cool applications named as using Match Lock, which will give you Android smartphone like Federal Lock in your Windows computer, then definitely you should try it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.